My name is Bombo, and this channel is about solving everyday problems. Today's problem is about solving the very annoying slamming of the tailgate truck. If you have a truck that does not have all the bells and whistles or an older model, then you have this problem. This video is an easy fix without you purchasing a brand new truck, which today can be very costly. This mod will transform your tailgate of your truck from this to this. This product is on Amazon for $35 and even cheaper depending on the make and model of your truck. I will link the product description below as well as for other popular truck makes and models, so it will save you some time researching the one for your specific truck. This installation is very simple. You will need only one of these. You do not need to install this product on both sides of your tailgate. First, have your tailgate in the open position. Then second, unscrew and undo all the fasteners that hold the left taillight. Be careful on those plastic fasteners since you will need this again. Once the taillight is removed, follow the instructions that came with the product. It basically just snaps on. You might need to lift your tailgate just a little bit to align the holes on the product and the rivets that's already on your truck. And then all you gotta do is snap it on. The last step is to reinstall the taillight. There you have it. This upgrade is a must for all truck owners in my opinion. As you can see, my truck has a cargo basket and 2 bike racks on top of the bed, and my bed have covers on them. I made a separate video for that. If you're interested, click on this video right here. I also have other videos on this channel about simple problem fixes if you want to check them out. Please like this video if you found this one specifically helpful, and if you found value in this kinds of video, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.